Did you know a commercial airline pilot became America's most wanted drug smuggler while secretly working for the government? Barry Seal started as a regular pilot, but by the 1980s he was flying massive cocaine loads for the Medellin cartel. He created his own airline company as the perfect cover, flying drugs from Colombia to secret airstrips in Arkansas and Louisiana, making millions per flight. But here's the twist. Seal was also working as a DEA informant and CIA operative. When the DEA flipped him in 1984, he wore hidden cameras during meetings with cartel leaders. His footage reached the highest levels of the Nicaraguan government. Seal was playing the most dangerous double game imaginable. Then the Reagan administration made a fatal mistake. They leaked his undercover photos for political purposes. His cover was blown. On February 19, 1986, cartel hitmen found Barry Seal outside a Salvation Army halfway house in Baton Rouge. They machine-gunned him to death in his car. The most complex criminal intelligence operation in U.S. history ended with a hail of bullets.